Frigidaire Professional PDS H40 6.5 stainless steel tub, built-in dishwasher with CleanBoost technology maximizes the power of your detergent by premixing water and detergent before it hits your dishes, helping remove hard to clean and baked on foods. Clean hard to reach spots with our Target spray zones that target tough spots for the ultimate clean. Uses a rotating wash arm with multi-directional spray patterns, provides maximum coverage without using more water. Save time loading and unloading with a third level rack that easily fits silverware, cooking utensils and tools. Minimum height 33.75 inches, depth with door open 50.25 inches, depth with handle 26.7 inches. Skip pre-rinsing with our dish sensor technology that adjusts cleaning performance based on the soil level of your dishes. Of a leak, a sensor is triggered, stopping the cycle and containing overflowed water in a tray at the bottom of the dishwasher. Get a great clean and avoid the hassle of hand washing, all while